Here we talk about best event insurance companies. Some of the most memorable moments in our lifetimes are of special events like weddings, family reunions, and holiday parties. But while it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of planning an event, every host should be aware of the risk that can make your special day memorable in all the wrong ways. Not everyone realizes the amount of liability they carry if someone is hurt or property is damaged at an event they host. In fact, 42 seats have included social host liability laws that allows party host to be used if a guest drives under the influence and causes an accident. It mitigate that this risk. Most venues require to purchase event insurance that covers a minimum amount of liability. Even if event insurance is not required for your upcoming gathering, an insurance policy may be worth its low cost to protect your assets from potential lawsuits. Thankfully, there are many great events insurers to choose from, the affordable coverage to fit the size and scope of any gathering. We reviewed more than 15 of the most widely recognized event insurance companies that choose the top 7 based on price, coverage, and services. The best 7 event insurance companies of 2022. Best overall RVNA, the best online underwriting, Eventusred, best for high limits insurance companies, best value Markle, best customer service travelers, best for weddings, bed safe, best for corporate events USLI, best overall RVNA. Whether you are planning a small private gathering or a major public event, RVNA covers it all with the best price and flexible terms, getting our note for the overall best. Affordable policy starts at $50 for liability coverage available for small and large events, instant online quotes, customized production policies with more than 20 type of coverage, policy cancellation allowed up to 48 hours for the event. Phone claims only 200, 500 deductible for the property damage claims. It's rare to find an insurer that offer equally great coverage for events of all sizes, but RVNA managed just that. These flexible policies start at just $50 and host liquor liability. Additional production coverage is available through 20 different riders. RVNA sets itself apart from the competition in several ways. The company standard policy includes coverage for tourism, which is not normally covered by event insurer. RVNA is also the only event insurer company we came across that allow hosts to cancel their liability policy. Full refund are issued as long as cancellation is requested is writing at least 48 hours before the start of the event. Best online underwriting event short event short with short straightforward online code tool. You can purchase liability coverage for more than 500 type of events in minute. It's a fastest way to get event insurance. More than 500 event types covered, policy documents issued in minutes, available in 50 states. paperless claim filing. Why spend days waiting for police documents when you can get them from even showed in minutes? Both private and corporate hosts can use Eventusred to purchase coverage for a wide range of events without going through a lengthy underwriting process. Simply fill out the online application and you will have your policy document sitting in your email inbox within minutes. The company will even issue you a general liability policy up to the day before your event. Best for high limits, Philadelphia insurance companies, especially event liability insurance up to 3 million with with all this insurance company policies offering the best solution for host with high coverage needs. Standard policy start starts at 3 million in aggregate liability insurance with excess coverage available. Event cancellation coverage limit up to $175,000. No deductible for liability claims can be combined with umbrella standard event insurance from Philadelphia insurance companies includes aggregate liability limits of 3 million multiple times what offer making is best for high limits in our review. If that's not sufficient, hosts with high value assets can secure additional protection by extending event policies with umbrella coverage. While it may require a lengthier underwriting process, there doesn't appear to be any limit to the number of tenders. For the best value, Markel. Market low cost event policies include discounts for building coverage for free information resources, a better value than any other carrier. Event liability insurance starts at low as 75 to 5 75 to half a million in coverage. 15% discount offered when purchasing liability and cancellation policies together. Low 25 deductible for cancellation policy claims. Offer free wedding planning resources. Cancellation coverage available in the United States and the several international destinations including cruise. Liability coverage not available for international destinations. $300 limit on loss of cash gifts. Property damage claims including a 1000 deductible. Many event insurance companies require hosts to pay a minimum of 1 million in liability coverage, but for smaller gathering, this amount may be more than you need. Selected as the best value in our review, Markel sells events insurance with liability limits starting at half a million for a price of just 75, helping you to save by overpaying for coverage. Best customer service. Travelers. Not only with travelers, representatives take your call 24 hours a day, but this event insure also offer the best customer service of all the providers we reviewed. Support available by phone, email, and web chat. Main phone line started 24 hours per day. Online quiz and policy management. Option to buy online or work with an agent. Limited type of event covered doesn't offer standalone liability policies not available in Alaska, Hawaii, or Louisiana. Everyone values different type of customer service. Some prefer digital convenience, while others want to personalized attention of an agent. Travelers offers the best of both worlds with event ensures that you can purchase online in minutes or through an insurance expert in your area. Best for weddings. WedSafe. Most event insurers provide wedding insurance, but WedSafe offer the best coverage expressly for those planning their nuptials. Covers wedding in the United States and over a dozen international locations. Existing relationship with thousands of venues. Cancellation coverage can be purchased up to 50 days before the event. No deductible for injury claims, as wedding plans can change quickly. Bad safe policies are flexible enough to accommodate last minute alterations. Cancellation coverage can be purchased as soon as 15 days before the date. Best for corporate events. USLI. From from conventions to company retreats, USLI cover corporate events that other insurance wouldn't touch and is our top choice for policy to corporate events. Policies include general liability, liquor liability, and medical payments. Flexible term for single or multi days whole in one insurance available up to half a million per whole. Policies must be purchased through an agent, not ideal for smaller events.